But first, autopsy results for Jason John, who was found dead in Lady Bird Lake back in February, have been released.
And the Travis County Medical Examiner's Office has ruled the cause of death an accidental drowning. Toxicology results show John had consumed alcohol before his death, but there were no illegal drugs or medications found in his system. The autopsy report says John was seen by a witness vomiting near the bank of the lake and then falling in.
The witness called 911, but police were not able to find him. 8 days later, John, who was fully dressed with all of his personal property, was found in Lady Bird Lake. Last month, his mother told Fox 7 Austin she didn't think her son's death was accidental and has been fighting to make sure something like this doesn't happen again.
Person who goes into Lady Bird Lake, you cannot just say it's accidental drowning. There is something behind. It's very clear. You don't need to be an APD or an FBI to figure this out based on all these criteria: the age of the men missing, the timing and the place. You know, it's just common sense. It's time for the city to wake up. It's time for the city to do something.
John was last seen leaving Rainey Street after a night out with friends.
His death has made for renewed calls of more security, better lighting, and cameras along the trail by the lake.